Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to enable two-factor authentication in YNAB. All right, so first off, log into your account. Now, just go to the top left, click on your plan. Now, in here, what you'll do is just gotta find account settings. Okay, under accounts right here, we have account settings. Just tap or click on it. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, scroll all the way down. Okay, and you will be able to find two-step verification. Okay, so what you do is just click on setup. Wait for it. Now go ahead and check your email, as it states here, and you'll be able to see the same exact email. All right, so just click on confirm your email. Okay, click on confirm right here. Now go ahead and go back to account settings, scroll down, go back to setup right here, click on it. Now it says here you need to install a verification app. YNAB right here is integrated with Authy and other mobile apps for two-step verification. Now, if you're asking what are the apps, okay, you can go ahead and use Google Authenticator or your password manager's built-in feature. Okay, so what you'll do basically is just open up your verification app. Again, I'm just going to go ahead and use Google Authenticator because I already have it on my phone. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and move this aside like so. So on my phone, I'm going to go ahead and open up Authenticator. Okay, you won't be able to see it because I'm sharing my screen, but at the bottom right, okay, you will be able to see a plus sign. So just go ahead and tap on the plus sign. Now you'll have the option to scan a QR code, okay, depending on your app. Right here, it will open up your camera. So what you do is just face the camera to the QR code right here, like so, and it will now be added to your authenticators list at the very bottom, okay? That is it. Now what you do next in the browser, okay, is that check your phone and enter the code right here. All right. In my case, I have here 314122. I'm going to click on next and make sure to save your backup code. Okay. And once that's done, just click on next. Now your two-step verification is now enabled. Okay. When you go to scroll down, if you want to turn it off in the future, just go and click on turn off right here. All right. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.